hustle is like being a farmer. Work first so you can enjoy all the fruits with your loved ones later. Today, I will do what others want, so tomorrow I can accomplish what others can't. You have been criticizing yourself for years and it has not worked. Try approving of yourself and see what happens. This is the real secret of life, to be completely engaged with what you are doing in the here and now, and instead of calling it work, realize it is play. What you don't sweat out when you are young will turn into tears when you are old. If we had no winter, the spring would not be so pleasant. If we did not sometimes taste of adversity, prosperity would not be so welcome. Happiness is not in the mere possession of money. It lies in the joy of achievement, in the thrill of creative effort. Hard work is a prison sentence only if it does not have meaning. Once it does, it becomes the kind of thing that makes you grab your wife around the waist and dance a zig. You may be the only person left who believes in you, but it's enough. It takes just one star to pierce a universe of darkness. Never give up. To be yourself in a world that is constantly trying to make you something else is the greatest accomplishment. The world makes way for the man who knows where he is going. Once you make a decision, the universe conspires to make it happen. Without ambition, one starts nothing. Without work, one finishes nothing. The prize will not be sent to you. You have to win it. Always be yourself and have faith in yourself. Do not go out and look for a successful personality and try to duplicate it. When you live for a strong purpose, then hard work is not an option, it's a necessity. Gold medals are not really made of gold. They are made of sweat, determination, and a hard to find alloy called guts. If you have a dream, don't just sit there. Gather courage to believe that you can succeed and leave no stone unturned to make it a reality. Obstacles can't stop you. Problems can't stop you. Most of all, other people can't stop you. Only you can stop you. Great souls have wheels. Feeble ones have only wishes. There is no job too immense when you got confidence. Some succeed because they are destined to, but most succeed because they are determined to. When you have a lot of confidence and you feel like nobody can beat you, it's game over for everyone else. There will be obstacles, there will be doubters, there will be mistakes, but with hard work, there are no limits. Enthusiasm is common, endurance is rare. Confidence comes not from always being right, but from not fearing to be wrong. Thank you so much for watching, and to get more videos like this, please subscribe our channel. Stay blessed and have a nice day.